megalayapost.news.
Menteri Surkar Kejelang badai pej ketenat Community and Rural Development ubah sustenance satun layaro jingwan ra Surkar Pedeng ka VBG Ramji Act arajar arpusan da kaboong bakani kendang ajing mentoy syusyu hakalyang kayo kam kayo jam jong kinong snong haki snong nong kendong Kejela Meghalaya ulong ru kani ka skim temai balapan kelakerteng na ka skim MGNREGA ka VBG Ramji Act arajar arpusan kan asisya ka jing mentoy kipat ba Kejela hakabalapan kiyo ka kambelas ngi na ka sispa sngi ka sispa arpusan sngi banalor kata lapan kiru ya kajing mang pisa na kakat arspa hadu katsan spa sya ka ar hajar krur kasurkar jelahan kini ka skim tumai kalayo nongru shibun namar na ka arpsan persen baka haban si ka baymar bay mata haka MGNREGA bat mentah kini ka skim tumai bat balapan kela kerteng kasurkar jelakan haban si tang 10% na ka bentah ki baymar bay mata haka bagani ka ajing meto shibun kinong belasngi job card holders ong uba sotun susu ulaban kiaru badai bandon kajing pentrai kamhong ya kini ka skim na ka ba island ki VEC bat kinong belasngi bakin penyat bet ya kirkom trekam ya ketika skim baru banlat na kajing penun kam baklaya kini ka skim.
With regards to the new act of of the MGNREGA, this is not the state act, it is the central. So whatever it comes from the central, so in the state we have to implement according to that. The names of the act, it can be any. It can be any, but from the state government, we are welcoming this act because if you do the calculation, the overall 90-10, even though 90-10, even though the state has to involve the 10%, but if we do the overall calculation, our state government, the state of Meghalaya, it is gaining because in previous scheme it was the stage the materials components, it is 25% has to bear from the state, and then now it's 90-10. And previous allotment, the wages, it is 100% from the central, and now it's 90-10. But the overall average, our state doesn't lose anything. 100 days. What we call in Kasi typical scheme she's passing. Hakinong kendong baro dekali ka scheme MGNREGA kenong by ka scheme she's passing. Tementa it is increasing by another 25 days. So we have more allocation, more fund allocation of another 25 days. Kagaba kanyarap beki job card holders. Kanyarap yaki unskilled workers bagi nyo ka extra number of days na kabenta kajing trekam kujungki akaba kilayo sa arpusan sing kata ka benefit nangta sakwe ka benefit ru akaba yaki jing tre menta yaki schools kila include ba ya kenika Hakini ka akabatmai ba yaki school lala ba yaki rural schools lala man kintuplang. In the previous years, the target is like 1,200 to 1,500, 1,200 to 1,500, the total budget that we are getting. And then now, with the number of increasing of days, so it will be increasing. It may touch 2,000. That is the target. That's why.
What will you do with that?
See, it will benefit the people of our state, and the number of days which has been increased. These all will benefit the people of our state. Then takadaw nakaliang kajonga, nakaliang ka sorkar kajungi, ni pidang namar bang hisuto bakini ki kani ka allotment ka batmai kan long kaya jemen toy nang ta ki baru ki longyeng ki baduk ki job card holders lamun ong lane kita ki unskilled levels kiba yo kene ke jing toy ling bag ni scheme. It's the aggregate overall because 25% of the materials which the state has to bear, now it has come down to 10%. I'm giving you the calculation. Day na kata-kata ka calculation ka mga ay kadeba ka state ka jungi ka government ka jungi ka pediang ya kene ka jing penkela namar ba ka kerteng kelaban don da kanu ka kerteng tang ba ka state kam dai bantu no te ka state ka jungi ka don ha ka chu ngi don ha ka ji yo nong den ta ka tau na kilang jungi ngim don kanu ka jing persa ngi pediang ya kene ka jing wara lainnya ya kecing penkela temai everyday kenika ag
Meghalaya Post.news